Hello friends, today I have a nice Formula One model for you. A Formula One car from the 90s, Mclaren MP4, a Minichamps model in the scale 1 to 43. The red is a bit brighter in reality. Unfortunately, my camera cannot reproduce the colors perfectly. Let's open up the beautiful model. How great did that look? The driver was the legend Ayrton Senna. I'll rotate the model so you can see something instead of my fat fingers. Take a look at the model. How great colors are, how detailed it is. I'm going to take it out now so we can look at it in more detail. Done. Let's take a closer look at the magnificent specimen. Wow, very beautiful. I want to see the underside. Okay, it's an older model. The new ones are far more detailed on the underside. Let's look at the front. Let's see how flexible the tires are and whether they can be turned easily. And also, look at the rear. Great, I'm satisfied. Let's look at the driver, Senna's famous helmet. Minichamps managed that well. Let's see if the side mirrors are movable. Now, other side. I am very satisfied with the purchase of this model. Of course, it could be more detailed in some places, but the model is more than 20 years old. If you liked the video and would like an aerodynamic video with the car, I would be happy about a like and a subscription. Thank you, and see you soon.